this is what you do when you don't have a dry cabinet dehumidifier in the forest. Put the equipment under direct sunlight. Let the sunlight kill the fungus, prevent fungus growth. Warm up the equipment for a good 20 minutes-ish. Because the moment the fungus start growing on inside your glass, you're fucked. 100% fucked. So, yep, tropical Asian countries like that, high humidity at night, 70%, maybe around 85% moisture in the air. So this is a good practice when there's sunlight